BoxyLuxe for March. I don't know if y'all have seen what's in store, but I've seen some spoilers. I'm super excited about it, as well as I wanted to go over some of the February BoxyCharm base box items and the BoxyCharm premium items for February. I took some notes, guys. I took some screenshots. I am insanely excited about this. So before we jump into the video, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much so much caffeine. It's probably not a good thing, but whatever. I'm living my best life. And it's a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, beauty, whatever it may be, and there's no drama for this mama, because at the end of the day, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious, friends. So hopefully you decide that this is a channel for you. You'll stick around, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. I upload all the time at about 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. Everything will be listed and linked down below for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into all this exciting stuff. I am like, so excited over this that I had to giggle, okay? So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. There's two monthly options that you can choose from. One being the Boxycharm base box. That's $25 a month. You are guaranteed at least $125 worth of product, and you get 5 full-size products in there. Next, we have the Boxycharm Premium Box. Now, this is a $35 a month box, and you are guaranteed at least $175 worth of product in there. And honestly, I can't remember how many products you get, but it's amazing, and they're full-size products. And then, quarterly, every couple months, we have the Boxycharm BoxyLuxe. Now, this is $49.99 of heavenly amazingness. It's insane. Now, I am still learning all of the ins and outs to Boxycharm because they have changed things up. Like I said, they have now offered us the premium box for the $35 every single month, but they now are offering add-ons and choices, and it's amazing. Now they're also offering Boxy pop-ups. So if I'm all over the place, I'm gonna just go ahead and apologize now. Your girl is a hot mess mama. She's all over the place 99.99% of the time, and she is a Gemini that likes to talk a lot, and she has ADHD. So why do I talk in the third person? It's so weird. Okay, let's just go ahead and jump into this. Like I said, I took notes. I may be all over the place. I'm gonna do my best not to be. I did want to talk to you guys about dates for choices, because like I said, that is something new to Boxycharm now, is that we get to kind of customize our boxes. So the choices to customize have already passed because I'm a little late getting this video up. I know I promised you all back in November I was going to start doing these videos, and hashtag Hot Mess Live, right? Hold on. Before we get started, can I show you guys my t-shirt? Thank you, Kohl's, for coming through. Like, is this not adorable? That is my thing, guys. I am embracing the fact that I am over, like, what the social stereotype of being a YouTuber is, where you've got to have your hair and your makeup all put together, full beat all the time, cute, expensive clothes. Y'all, I got this shirt for $7.99 at Kohl's, and I love it. And I am embracing, if I want pajama bottoms on, or even my PJs on, where I film this Get Ready With Me, it's gonna happen. Gonna happen. I'm not the stereotypical type of YouTuber. I am lucky that you guys can't see all the dry shampoo that is in my hair right now, and I'm sure you can see the retinol effects of too much peeling off my face. Okay, that has nothing to do with this video, Rhonda. Wow. When you can make a video 4 minutes and have everything you need out, but yet Rhonda has the ability to make it 20 minutes long. Welcome to my channel. Let's start off with a couple of the things that I have found on Instagram, Boxycharm Instagram pages, Boxycharm Facebook, and stories, all of that. And I found some of the sneaky peekies for our February base box. Remind you, this is a $25 a month box. Now, like I said, we get to customize and we get a choice to choose one item, and they actually gave us 4 items to choose from for our February box. Now, when I am filming this and hoping to get this up, I think if you sign up with Boxycharm, you will be able to get these February boxes that I'm talking about. You're not going to be able to customize your box, but you will be getting some sort of variation with one of these 4 items in here. So just know that, because like I said, the cutoff date, I want to say it was like January 14th or what have you. So we got to choose between the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I think there was like 15 shades or something. 15 shades you get to choose from. Or you could have chose the QMS Day and Night Intensive Eye Cream, which I actually use that on the pretty much on the daily. Obviously not last night with the retinol, but I really like this. It's crazy expensive, so for me this is a good time to get things like this. Mind you, you can always do add-ons and get really good deals on stuff as well. The next item you had to choose from was the Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptides. Now, I don't know much about this, but what I do know is Kate Somerville is insanely expensive. And I want to say, there's sometimes, I can't remember if I picked, I want to say I picked, and I want to say just out of those 3 options, I think I chose the Kate Somerville, but I could be wrong. My memory is poo 99.9% of the time. The last item you could have chose was the Iconic London eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely gorgeous. I will be trying to pop pictures up over here for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about as I am mentioning them. But like I said, these items were the items that are in the base box, and you chose one of them. So I think, like I said, is I chose the Kate Somerville. I could be wrong on that, but anyhow. The other thing, this is a spoiler, and this has been confirmed. I saw the video on it on Facebook, but Melanie had posted that we will either be getting the Alamar brushes, there was I think 3 of them, or the Luxe sponges, like their blenders. There was a set of 3. We will be getting either one of those in our base box. And I'm totally okay with that. I was pretty excited about it. Like I said, I'm going to try and pop pictures, or I'll pop up the video where she's holding them and showing y'all. But either way, I love Alamar and I love Luxe. So we've gotten Alamar brushes in the past. Now I did go to the website, and the Alamar, the brushes that she's showing are apparently new releases, and they've not been released yet. Now the Luxe blenders are on the website for Luxe, but they're showing sold out. So again, this could be a new release for Luxe. Anyways, that is all I have as far as the February Boxycharm base box. I'm not going to go and tell you guys too much, but as always, there's different variations when it comes to Boxycharm, so it's always a surprise. I never peek and know what I'm getting, and there are months that I don't even do the customization. Now just know that they are giving you the option to add these other items on as well on your base box. If you chose, say, the Iconic London palette, you're able to get the, say, the Becca foundation for like 12 bucks or something. So you can add these things on. So I was really excited that Boxycharm is offering things like that for us as well. Again, this is a great way to grow your collection, add to your collection, test out new products without paying the full price. Next, a couple items that we do know are going to be in our Boxycharm Premium Box for February. And again, I'll try and remember to pop pictures up. Everybody will be getting, I'm so excited about this, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Face Mist. Everybody has been talking about it, and I wanted to pick it up so bad. But I'm like, girl, you've got so many setting sprays, you don't need to buy it. Well, you're gonna put it in my Boxycharm Premium Box, the $35 box? Okay. So I've heard nothing but amazing things about the Glow Recipe Watermelon Face Mist. Super excited about that. That is something that everybody will be getting. As far as your choices go for the Boxycharm Premium, we had the choice of the Carity, I think it's called the Picante palette. I could be saying that wrong. It's very beautiful. Or the Sutra, I think it's called Sutra Flat Iron. I don't remember what I picked, so it's gonna be a surprise. I don't even know if I did pick, but either way, either one of those that we get in our premium box, it's gonna be amazing. I've personally never tried Carity eyeshadow palettes, so I'm very excited that if that does come in my premium, because They make very beautiful looking eyeshadow palettes, and I'm very curious to see how well they work. So anyways, another item that is confirmed we will be getting. Now, it's going to be a variation, but that's going to be the Hourglass blush. I was geeking out over this. You guys know last year I did a whole video talking about brands that I'd love to see in our subscription boxes. One of them was Hourglass. So I am so excited about this. I have Hourglass blush mixed in today. I don't have much makeup on today. It's a pretty natural type of look. But I can tell you guys, I am so over the top excited about this. Like I said, it's going to be a blush variation. There is not like a guaranteed shade across the board, but we will be seeing that in our premium box. Now, we're going to talk about the March BoxyLuxe. Let me take a sip of coffee. Lord heavens, that's so good. Okay, so like I said, the Boxycharm base box, the Boxycharm premium box, those are monthly boxes. Those are boxes you can get every single month. You have the option to upgrade as well and also receive a BoxyLuxe. This is the $49.99, and you get an insane amount of product in here. It is crazy. So some of the things that we got 3 choices for our March BoxyLuxe. Now, this is where I'm not 100% sure. I think we still have time. Let me check my little doohickey that I took a screenshot of. So, I believe Monday, February 17th, this is when you get to choose these BoxyLuxe items for your March BoxyLuxe. Okay, so here's some dates before I get into all of this to write down for you guys. And I'll try and like pop them up over here or flash them up somehow. Monday, February 10th, you have early access to the March base box. So this will be open for premium subscribers and waitlisters. BoxyLuxe Choice will open on February 17th. So, February 10th, if you have the base box or the premium box, your choices are going to open up for March, okay? Then on February 11th, all access opens for the March base box. So everybody that has the base box, it's going to open up for you on February 11th. On February 17th, like I said, the BoxyLuxe subscribers and waitlisters, it opens up to make your choices. We are going to see, I'm really excited about this. It says Shop Boxy Pop-Up Monday, February 10th. Early access opens for BoxyLuxe and Boxycharm premium subscribers and waitlisters. Boxycharm Pop-Up is a way that you can get things up to 80% off. It's crazy. Now, this is like a high demand type of thing to the point that when they did have it in the past, things got a little hairy. As far as I know, from the Instagram stories I've seen and posts, they have really worked on it. So if you can get in there, awesome. If you can get in there, you can get items up to 80% off. I highly recommend it. This is a way to stock up on things that maybe you haven't gotten in past boxes. This is a way to stock up on things that, you know, you're running low on, whatever it may be. It's crazy. Like, they had this H2 Rose Cores product in there. I mean, they have all kinds of different products in there in the past. It's definitely worth checking out. Always think about gifts, guys. You can't go wrong with gift giving, all of that. So February 10th, early access opens up for the Boxy Pop-Up to the BoxyLuxe and Boxy Premium members. All access for all active charmers opens up February 11th for the Boxy Pop-Up. I'm telling y'all, this is a great way to stock up on things and get insane deals. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about the BoxyLuxe for March. So like I said, you're gonna get your choice to start picking things. It looks like February 17th. Again, I'm gonna try and be like fancy schmancy and pop dates up here for y'all. But let's talk about BoxyLuxe. BoxyLuxe is insane. Like, it is absolutely insane. For $49.99, you get an insane amount of products. Now, the 3 items that we get to choose from for our BoxyLuxe for March is the Tarte Pro Remix palette, which I don't have that, and it's really pretty. Like, every time I see it go on sale, I'm like, should I? But it is something we can choose in our BoxyLuxe. It's really pretty. And you guys know I love eyeshadow. Like, eyeshadow palettes are my total weakness. We have an option of the Suture Beauty Curling Iron, and then the Murad Hydro Moisture. It's like a cream for your eyes. Again, I'll pop pictures up over here for you guys. So those are we choose one of those 3 items for our BoxyLuxe. Now, we've got 2 confirmed spoilers in here. Again, there's gonna be like a whole bunch of stuff that's coming in here. I'm only gonna tell you guys about 2. So you don't have to worry, I'm not ruining the box for you guys, because you guys know I'm not a sneaky peeky kind of girl when it comes to what I'm getting in my box. So the one confirmed is the NARS Lip Pigment. I do believe, and I could be wrong, don't quote me on this, I think everybody is getting this. Of course, it's gonna be a different shade variation, but I do believe everybody is getting a lip pigment by NARS. The second one, I do believe this is 100% across the board. Everybody will be getting the PMD Clean. You'll see it up here. It's a facial cleanser. That I'm really excited about. I am really excited about that because my Fiorio, or however you say it, broke. So I'm really excited to be getting this in our BoxyLuxe. So anyways, those are just the items so far that we have that are confirmed that we will be getting in our BoxyLuxe for March. Like I said, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, they've already done the picks for the February boxes, but you will get a variation of any of the items that I talked about. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below for you guys. It is an affiliate link, just letting you guys know about that. So I will make a little bit of a commission if you do decide to sign up using my link down below. I will let you guys know, if you are new to Boxycharm and you do use that referral link to sign up, they actually have gift choices for you guys that you guys will be able to pick. They change it every so often. If I can come across the one, now I think it's like a Violet Voss palette, the LMS mask, and I think the Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion. I think those are the choices that you get right now if you sign up for Boxycharm. So you will get to choose one of those items as well as whatever box you choose. So definitely excited about that. Don't forget the dates, like I told you guys, for the customization coming up in February for March. You will get to choose one of your items for the base box and the premium box. So anyways guys, I'm gonna hop off here. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I do plan on continuing on doing these because a lot of the times I've noticed that I find that I forget when the actual like add-on or customization dates are. So I feel like if I continue to make videos like this, it'll help us across the board. I'll remember when we get to pick things, customize, whatever it may be, and then hopefully it'll help you guys as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you would give me a big thumbs up. Remember, it's a drama-free, judge-free zone. So if you did enjoy this video, just hit the thumbs down and walk away. All is well in the world. Love, peace, and happiness over here, friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Like I said, I'll have my Boxycharm referral link listed down below for you guys. I'll try and pin it in the comment section as well. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!